Hi friends, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed some important laws. You just remember all three laws CM, then DP, and then MP. You have to remember all three laws. CM is what, DP is what, and MP is what. And particular which example is given in which law, that is also important. So, yesterday you have studied three laws. Today we are going to discuss another three laws. So, first law we will discuss Gay-Lussac's gaseous volume law. Scientist Gay-Lussac what explained related to gaseous volume law. He explained that at the same temperature and same pressure, volume of gas at the same temperature and same pressure, different volume of gas can be expressed by simple whole number. Very simple example he has taken. If two volume of hydrogen, if 100 ml hydrogen, 50 ml oxygen will give us 100 ml water vapor. I am writing first, then we will discuss why addition is not correct. So we are having a 100 ml hydrogen, H2 hydrogen is 100 ml plus oxygen is 50 ml, and we have prepared water vapor it is 100 ml. So you just try to understand, you always as a common thinking 100 ml plus 50 ml must be 150 ml. Here 100 ml plus 50 ml is equal to 100 ml. Why? Because when two gases are pressurized with each other, then vapor will form. Hydrogen will pressurize, oxygen will pressurize, so volume will decrease when water vapor is formed. If it is not pressurized, then we will not obtain water vapor. If we are pressurizing the volume, then the volume will decrease. When the atoms of oxygen and hydrogen are very not close to each other, then volume will be high. But when we are preparing into water vapor, we must pressure the hydrogen gas, we must mixing with the oxygen gas, and we must give the pressure. When water vapor will done, then volume will be 100 ml. So it is not simple addition. We must pressure the hydrogen and oxygen. If we are not pressuring, it is not properly mixed with each other, then volume will be 150 ml. 150 ml volume is not water vapor. If you want to convert into water vapor, we must pressure the volume. If we are pressuring the volume, volume will decrease, and when water vapor will form, then volume will be 100 ml. Now it is clear. So here is not simple addition. It is different type of compound. This hydrogen gas, this is oxygen gas, but this is in form of vapor. So total volume will not 150 ml. If you are having 150 ml total volume, it is not water vapor. It is different cell. It is different hydrogen and oxygen are mixed with each other. It is not water vapor. When you pressure it, then it will convert into water. And if you are pressuring, then volume will decrease. So here the 100 ml means what? And 50 ml means what? 100 and 50 is taken in proportion, then 100 is to 50, then the small whole number will be 2:1. This is the law of Gay-Lussac. Proportion of hydrogen and oxygen can be expressed by simple whole number. Proportion of hydrogen is here 100 ml, oxygen is 50 ml, and proportion of hydrogen and oxygen is 100 is to 50, and it is 2:1. So this is the law of Gay-Lussac. We must conclude our topic by proportion of hydrogen and oxygen. You have already understood that it is not 150 ml. Why it is not 150 ml? Because the volume will decrease when we will give pressure to hydrogen and oxygen. And when water vapor will be done, then the volume will be available 100 ml. Clear? Second law is Avogadro's law. Avogadro explain what? What explain Avogadro? So equal volume of gas is taken. Equal volume of gas is taken at the same temperature and same pressure, then the molecule will obtain in equal proportion. Equal volume of gas is taken, chemical reaction is done, then the number of molecule will be equal. It is also different and difficult. One volume and one volume. Total you will be seen 3 volume, but when we will count the number of atom, we will prove the law. Suppose two volume H2 taken plus 1 volume O2 taken, then 2 volume H2O obtained. So you don't add total volume. 2 volume plus 1 volume equal to 3 volume. It is not simple addition. We will count the total atom and we will prove this law. So 2 volume of hydrogen H2. I am drawing here one box. H5 molecule we will take H. 1 molecule, 2 molecule, 3 molecule, 4 molecule and 5 molecule. one volume equal to 5 molecule. One volume equal to 5 molecule and 10 atom of H. Here total H2 is 5. 5H2 equal to what? 10H. 5H2, number of atom will be 10. So here molecule 5. H2 is one molecule. Total 5H2 means 5 molecule H2. 5 molecule H2. It is one volume. Again I am taking 1 volume H2. 1 volume equal to 5 molecule. It is also one volume. 5 molecule. H 10 atom. Clear? So we have taken 2 volume H2. This is one volume. This is one volume. Total 2 volume H2. We are having 1 volume O2. Five molecule equal to 1 volume. This is 1 volume O2. O2 means 5 molecule. O2 means 10 atom of oxygen. We will have 2 volume of H2O.